Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is on chicken groundnut soup or peanut butter soup in katong kwan papa b. That is what we are going to cook today. And you see the oil. Yes, we are going to cook it in a way that will be able to get most of the oil on top. We have two methods of preparing groundnut soup, and I'm going to share this method with you. This one I call it Continental, and I call the other method local. So today is Continental chicken groundnut soup. Okay, so these are the ingredients. We have some hard chicken, 3 pounds. We are going to use some peanut butter also, and we are going to make use of tomatoes, peppers, ginger, garlic, onions, and 2 medium size of garden eggs. We are also going to use some sauce and soup seasoning, yes, and my homemade tomato paste, turkey berries. We are going to make use of these natural spices, some basil leaves, Negro pepper, and other mixed natural spices, as well as bay leaves. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil the garden eggs and 2 of the onions, the tomatoes, and the peppers, and blend the ginger, garlic with these natural mixed spices. Blend them together and boil the turkey berries with the tomatoes also. So what I'm going to do now is to sprinkle some salt on the chicken. You need enough salt at this point. I'm going to add my Negro pepper and my bay leaves as well, and I'm going to add my seasoning also to it. As I said, this one is for stews and sauces, and my blended ingredients also to it, and I'm adding some water. Then I'll cover and allow it to cook, but before then I'll add some few of the basil leaves, yes, few of them, and then cover and let it cook. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to mash my peanut butter. I'm going to mash it or mix it very well, and I'm going to do it with my whisk. Mix it very well, and so all that you need to do is just mix it everything together till you get a very smooth and no lumps in them or in it. Okay, so everything is well mixed. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of my homemade tomato paste. Check the description box for how to make tomato paste at home, and we are going to mix everything together. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. And if you are new here, I want to say welcome and thank you for passing by, but please don't leave. Be part of this family. So we have mixed everything together very well, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to fire and cook it. I'm going to cook this till I get enough oil on top. So yes, let it boil very well. You get a lot of oil, so it's boiling, but still we have not gotten the oil that we want, and so we'll give it more time. Make sure that you be stirring, because if you leave it on fire, it's going to get stuck under the saucepan and burn. So cover at this time, and when you are stirring, to make sure you don't get too much close to it, so it doesn't split on you. Okay, we are checking on our chicken, and it's also cooking very well. So this is hard chicken, so you need to cook it more, and it's good when you are preparing soups, especially groundnuts and palm nut soup. You use hard chicken. Okay, so cover and let it go, and we are checking on our peanut, and now you can see we have enough oil on top, and so make sure you stir it consistently, and also make sure you don't get too close to it, because it can split on you, and this is very painful when it gets to your skin. We'll cover it again, and this time around we are going to blend our boiled ingredients, everything together. We'll blend it smoothly, and then after we'll strain it. And so even if you don't get all the seeds and the chaff well blended, it's not a problem. We are checking on our chicken now, and you can see much oil. When you cook it this way, allow it to cook it this way, you get a lot of oil also on the surface, so you can see a lot of oil also there. That is the effect I want to create. I want to get enough oil in my soup. Okay, so I'm going to strain it and then add it to it. I'm going to strain the blended ingredients, everything. Please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. Don't just leave it like that, okay? Help a sister to grow her channel. And if today is your first time, I want to say thank you for passing by. God bless you, but please don't leave, stay. Okay, so at this point we'll allow it to cook. After adding the blended ingredient to it, I will not add water. I'm just going to cover and let it cook very well. Okay, so it's cooking now, and you see we've been able to extract more oil. So when you watch carefully, you could see enough oil also there. That is the point I'm trying to make here. Okay, so I'm going to at this point add my groundnuts or my peanuts to it. I'm going to add it to the soup and mix everything together. Okay, and so I will share the other method also with you, so just watch out. The other method will also come. So we've added everything to it. We are mixing everything, and we are going to, at this point, you're going to add a lot of water to it. You are going to add a lot of water to the soup, and then allow it to cook and cook or boil very well. So I'll add enough water. This is soup. And so, you know, in Ghana, when we say soup, we mean soup. We mean the meaning of soup in the dictionary. So this is soup. And so you give it enough water. Okay. And then this time around, we are also going to cover, but not cover 800%, because it will boil into the fire, and you wouldn't want that to happen. So just cover it and leave some space, not full. So something like this, and allow it to cook. So it's boiling now. We are checking. Our soup is still not cooked. It's not 100% cooked, even though it's boiling and it has boiled down a bit, but we still need to give it time to cook very, very well. We are checking again, and still it's not fully cooked. Even though it has cooked down, you can see where the water level was. But at this point, you are adding some chili peppers, green chilies to it. Then we'll lower the fire and then allow it to cook. We are adding some basil leaves also to it. Akoko mesa. Then cover it halfway and then lower it on a medium heat. Let's see, medium heat, and then let it cook. So our chicken groundnut soup or peanut butter soup is almost ready. It's, let's say, 99% ready. Just have to give you some few minutes to cook down. If you want it thick, then you still have to cook it more, so that you can get most of the liquid out. But if not, for me, I don't want it very thick. This is okay for me. I want it this way, and it's okay, and this is delicious. You can serve it with anything. Your fufu, your nkonkonte, banku, just add okra to it. Your jam, your rice balls, anything, it goes with it. You know, in Ghana, you know how we do it. Yeah. So just enjoy it your way and watch out for another recipe. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like, share, and leave a comment. Bye bye.